Want to tell you about that. Okay, so my favorite food is ice cubes. Yummy. Yummy, this is so good. Uh-oh. I like taking rides on my BFF Mabel. Yeah, no, get back here, yeah. Yeah, no, you wee, no. Hey. I like trying to see if I can jump over that basketball hoop. I'm gonna try right now. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ow. I like waving at Mabel in the window. Hi, Mabel. I like looking at pretty scenery. Now I'm going to show you some of my cheerleading stunts. Swinging on the swings. Woo! Okay, now time for my cheerleading stuff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! Ow, flip. That was a flip. Wow! Okay. Now I'm going to do my back handspring thingamajig. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that was fun. One last thing, I like going down the slide. Wow! Wow! I always have to stop before I hit the water. Okay, bye. Please, I want to win a place. Please let me win a place. Bye.